The biggest piece of advice I would give to prospective students is just to be confident and go for it. I think there's the idea that to succeed in the test you have to have a lot of tutoring. That's not at all true. I personally was not tutored, but I have friends that were, and the consensus between all of us is just be confident, take a deep breath when you go in and just do your best.
If you're a student wanting to come to a selective entry school, if you want it to work for it, put in a bit of extra work so you can elevate yourself to get into the school that you want to get into.
It's completely normal if you're feeling some sort of apprehension or any of those feelings. It's very normal. I definitely felt it, but I think just giving it a shot is the most important thing.
I think the main piece of advice I'd give to prospective students is be ready to push yourself. And that's because coming from someone who wasn't sure about what my academic potential was, I never would have known that I was good enough to be a candidate for a selective school if I wouldn't have applied. You never know, like the sky's the limit in terms of what you can achieve, so always dare to dream big.
When I had received an offer, I was a bit hesitant because the school is quite far from where I live. I thought it would be quite a big change. I had come from a girls' school in which I had a great group of friends. However, I've really realised that change is not something to fear, it's something to accept, and it's something that really helps you grow as a person.
For the first few months upon arriving to school, you're probably going to be a bit nervous in year 9, but when you begin to get used to it, it becomes exciting. You're wondering what you're going to learn that day, and you get really into the school and the atmosphere.
I would say do what you want for yourself. Don't do it for anyone else. If you're trying to get into the school for someone else, then you're going to be a little bit more close-minded about the school and less excited, I guess, for your own learning. The minute you think about it for yourself and your own growth, you'll enjoy your time a lot more.
Every student needs to think for themselves, because this is your education. Knowing what school is good for you and being able to know where you want to go and like what you value most, your friendships, academics, education, the well-being, what you value most you should look for in your school. And if that's going to a selective school, that's amazing, and I think it's a really good opportunity. But if it's not, then you don't need to.
The advice that I'd give is take it if you want it. Don't take it because other people are telling you to. If you want it, go for it.